Welcome to the Amethyst training session on how to create groups. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create groups that is used to restrict access and to share agent quality management reviews with other supervisors. The first thing that you will require is access to the administration functions. Now, at the top of the screen, it's this icon with a little person and the key, and the tooltip says administration. If I click on there, the first icon is add and change groups. That is to add new groups. If I go to my group diagram, it'll show the current access that I have. So you'll see group link maintenance. I currently have access to only my company. That little number at the top is the ID for this group, and you will see later on that you can have the same group appear multiple times, and that's to identify that it's actually the same group. Now I'm going to create two branches for my company and link them. So the first one is going to be Cape Town. You can press enter, or you can click on apply, and in the drop down list Cape Town is now created. Now if I go back to my group diagram at the top here, you will see that it's now automatically linked Cape Town to my company. All groups that I create will automatically be linked to my top level group, which is called my company in this case. I'm going to create another branch called Johannesburg, and if I go to my group diagram, you will see now I've got two groups. Now let's create some departments within those groups. I'm going to call this one CPT support and JHB support, and I'm going to create an admin department and a management department. So now if I click on my drop down, I'll see a whole long list of groups that have been created. If I go back to my group diagram, all of them are next to each other. So let's rearrange this in a more structured form. So Cape Town support, I'm going to click on the group called Cape Town support, and it will highlight it, and then I click on the group I want to link it to, Cape Town. You'll see a little menu at the top of the screen appears. Do you want to link group CPT support to Cape Town? I can say OK. Now that group appears on this list twice. So if I have access to my company, I can see all 6 of these groups. But if I had access only to Cape Town, I would still be able to see CPT support as well, because it is linked to Cape Town. So it looks at whatever my current group is, and everything below that I have access to. Now I'm going to move CPT support out of my company because it's linked to Cape Town. I don't need it linked. So CPT I clicked on, and then I clicked on my company, and it says, do you want to unlink the group? I can say yes, and you will see now I've got Cape Town and CPT support underneath that. Now let's link JHB support to Johannesburg by clicking on each one of them. Say OK, and I unlink it from my company. Now I can see I've got admin, Cape Town, Johannesburg and management, but I also want to create another group called support and put both support groups within that one group. So I've now added the group, it's there at the bottom, and I can see support is here at the end. I'm going to connect Cape Town and Johannesburg to that group. So what I have now is a facility where I can access from my company admin, Cape Town, Johannesburg, management and support. If I have access to Johannesburg, I also have access to Johannesburg support. If I have access to Cape Town, I also have to Cape Town support. But if I wanted to give someone access just to all the support companies but not to Cape Town and Johannesburg, I can now give them access to support, and they will have access to these two groups that are linked to support. So the structure always works and the access always works from the current link down. Thank you for watching, and for more information you can visit our website or give us a call. The details are on the video here. Thank you.